Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where streaming meets simplicity and fun. Today we have an exciting topic for you, installing Xtreme HD IPTV on Firestick. First off, let's ensure you have a Firestick device and a stable internet connection. Before installation, enable installation from unknown sources on your Firestick settings. Navigate to the Settings menu and click on My Fire TV, then open Developer Options. Next, turn on Apps from Unknown Sources to allow third-party applications. Once you're done with that, navigate back to the home screen of your Firestick. Now we need to install the Downloader app, a tool for downloading apps easily. Search for Downloader using the search bar and click to install it quickly. With Downloader installed, open the app and you'll see a URL field at the top. Enter the link for Xtreme HD IPTV, insert link here, then hit download to proceed. After the download is complete, click install to begin the installation of Xtreme HD IPTV. Once installed, you can choose to open the app or return to your home screen. Remember, this video is sponsored by 22tv.store, the best IPTV provider you can find. Explore all the wonderful channel options available on Xtreme HD IPTV after opening it. Wrapping things up, you have successfully installed Xtreme HD IPTV on your Firestick. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends.